In this video, I want to demonstrate functionality of hair card nodes. For demonstration, I will use hair curves. By using this asset pack, curves can be converted to mesh ribbons that used as base for generating more complex hair cards. Having mesh ribbons as base allows us to easily rig hair model without illustration or run simulation on it. However, using hair curves as base for ribbons allows us to use hair tools and quickly make highly detailed hairstyles. This asset pack made in a way to work with hair nodes and to bring comfort of schooling hair curves to modeling hair cards. First step is to convert curves to mesh ribbons. For this, I'm using curves to ribbons node and using head mesh as target to set tilt. Object info node with tilt target should be set to relative to work properly. For second step, I duplicate modifier and create a new geonode setup. Here, I can use mesh to hair cards node. Connect geometry to input and use head mesh as embed roots target. When target mesh is connected, I can enable embed roots. If it's enabled without target mesh, roots will snap to object origin. For profile curve, I can use any curve primitive or model custom curve. And now we have hair cards with UV map that can be used in shader. This generator features useLength function that changes hair cards resolution depending on their length. Shape sliders make hair cards thicker close to end or root. Scale uniformity makes hair cards thickness the same without considering their length. Scale sliders adjust hair cards profile. As material, I will use texture-based shader provided with asset pack. Mapping mode function makes curve shape into simple plane, allowing easier UV mapping. Scale of curve in mapping mode depends on center scale or custom profile scale. Using UV sliders, we can easily map hair cards texture. When it's done, we can disable mapping mode. To use custom profile, add spline parameter and float curve node, and connect factor to value, and output of float curve to custom profile. Now, by manipulating float curve, you can make more complex profiles. Because I still haven't converted curves to ribbons, I can easily add new hair cards just with few clicks. After you've done with sculpting and want to rig hair model, you can disable second modifier on hair curves and convert it to mesh with Keep Original enabled. After that, just copy second modifier from hair curves to newly created mesh and enable it. If you apply modifier, all vertex groups of your rig will be transferred to new mesh, but will be converted to attributes. To restore them, use Convert Attribute option and set it to vertex group. It will take a lot of clicks, but in the end you will have exportable hair model with good weights. You can create mesh ribbons directly and mark edge that you want to convert into hair card with Shift E or edge crease. Because I want to use hair nodes in my setup, I will add mesh to course node first and course to ribbons second. Between them, we can manipulate course any way we want, using hair nodes. In this example, I'll duplicate curve few times and try to make braid. If curve is facing wrong direction, I can just use reverse curve node. This asset pack available on Gumroad and Patreon. Links to it you can find in the description. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.